Today, I want to challenge something we have all heard while growing up, which is you need to save money. Hey, money friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Safao, and I help you to build wealth so you can start living your life on your own terms. I know you must have heard it that you need to save money. Now, saving is very good, but here is the truth. Saving alone would not make you wealthy. In fact, if you're saving alone and not investing, you could be making things harder for your future self. So let's break it down in a way that we can all understand in simple and practical ways. So, what is the problem with saving alone? We were taught to save. Save for the raining day. Save so you can retire. Save just in case of anything. And let's be honest, saving feels good. When we manage to stash some cash, we feel responsible. But when we can't save, we feel guilty. But here is what many people don't realize. Saving alone is not enough to build real wealth. And why is this? Because inflation is slowly eating away the value of your money. Right now, even a traditional savings account might give you 0.5%. But prices for the rent, for groceries and gas are going up faster than 0.5%. So yes, you're saving, but your money is losing value over time. That's why it's important to shift your mindset from saving alone and investing. Now, when is saving still important? Don't get me wrong, saving does have a purpose of its own. It serves its own purpose. Here is what you should save for. An emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of your living expense. You need a miscellaneous fund for those unplanned surprises like flat tire or a last minute bill that you need to pick as soon as possible. So let me give you a story. I have a friend that lives in a big city. One day, she woke up just like every other person and wanted to drive to work and found out that rats chewed up her tires. She had to buy new ones immediately. That's what miscellaneous fund is meant for. You don't have to touch your emergency fund every time some bills pop up. So keep the two accounts separate. But once your savings goals are met, that's when it's time to switch gear. Let's look at the reasons why you can't save your will to wealth. Let's break it down. Imagine you put $25,000 in a regular account, earning 0.5% interest. In 5 years, you would have earned about $600. Oh, well, and good. You didn't work for it, right? Now, imagine you put that same $25,000 into a high yield savings account, earning about 4% interest. In that same 5 years, you would have earned about $7,000. Better, right? You still didn't work for it. But here is the kicker. If you invest that money in an index fund with an average return of 8%, you could even earn higher without working harder anymore. That's why the rich don't just save, they invest. So, what is investing and why does it even matter? Why is that you're hearing over the internet now? Invest, invest. Investing simply means put your money somewhere. It can grow over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it consistently. You let it grow for years. One day it will give you shade, it will give you fruit, or even money if you decide to sell the fruits. One of the easiest way to start is through index fund or use a robo advisor. You don't need to be a stock expert. You don't need a finance degree. This platform helps you to invest based on your risk, based on your goals, and how long you want to invest for. So, for example, my friend started with $250,000. Myself, I started with $50. If you've seen my videos, I've said it a lot of times. I started with $50 investing in Canada. Going back to my story, my friend started with $250 in a robo advisor. 7 years now, he has over $60,000 saved. No stress. He doesn't do day trading, just consistent investing. Of course, I know there are common fears and mistakes. I know the word investing can be so scary. You might think, what if I lose all my money? I don't even know where to start. I am not a finance person. I don't like figures. I get it. I used to feel the same way. In fact, I once tried a day trade stocks with no clue of what I was doing. Spoiler alert, it didn't go well at all. That's why I recommend starting simple. Use a robo advisor. Like what simple? Set it up and forget it. Start small, even if it's $50, if it's $20, if it's $10. The key is to build the habit. Make your money work very hard for you. I say your money can work twice as hard as what you do right now. Here is the truth. Your job should not be the only way you earn. You want your money to work while you are asleep. That's what investing does. It creates passive income and grows your wealth over time. 80% of wealthy people own stock. It's not magic. They just understand that the money sitting in a savings account does nothing but to lose value. Use your saving energy and redirect it into an intentional investing. Future you will definitely do what? Thank you for it. Now, if you're new to investing and you're wondering, I just want somebody to hold my hands, my course will be launching very soon. You might want to be on the VIP waiting list. It's called the Diaspora Investor, and it is tailored for you and I, African immigrants that I understand our pain. So if you want to register, the link will be in the description. You can just register and join our waiting list. It's going to be launching soon, and I promise you that this course is beginner friendly. To recap, save for emergency and the unexpected. Use your miscellaneous fund. Pack your savings in a high yield savings account. Stop using the regular savings account. After that, invest consistently. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You become wealthy because you start investing. If this video has helped you shift your mindset, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, or follow us on our social media handles and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss white money tips. Let me know in the comments, are you investing yet or still saving everything? What's holding you back? Until the next time I come your way, stay smart, stay intentional, and let your money work hard for you.